Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to download file using Playwright step by step. You will see how to handle file downloads, save them locally. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a Playwright tutorial. Let's begin. Create a new test file. You can create a new test file. Right click on test folder and then click on new file. Enter file name here, download dot spec.ts. A file has been created successfully. In previous tutorial, I have explained about uploading file in a Playwright. Now, copy this and here paste. Now, change test case name, download file. Download file in Playwright and here change browser. Remove all these lines. So now first open a new tab. So we will create a browser context that allow a file downloads in Playwright. You cannot download by default download file. You need to add accept downloads. First create a browser context that allows file downloads. Const context and is equal to await browser dot new context round bracket and curly bracket. Inside curly brackets, we will have enter accept download quality and then set here true. This is for create a browser context that allow file downloads. Page enter here const page is equal to await context dot new page round bracket and semicolon. Navigate the website, open Chrome browser, and here you can view upon clicking on this txt file download successfully. So copy this complete URL, open VS Code and navigate to the URL await page dot go to. Here multiple options are available: go back, go forward and go to. This is used for open the URL await page dot go to comma and enter URL. Wait for the download event. Download event while clicking the file link. First add the wait here const download is equal to await promise dot promise dot all round bracket and enter here bracket. Age dot wait for event. First wait for event. We need to add here wait for the download event. Round bracket here and download, and then click the file link to trigger the download. As you can view here, we need to click on this file link. This is the link. So right click here, we can locate this element, and here this is the anchor tag and link, and this is the text. So we need to mention anchor tag because this is the link page dot click anchor a. This is hyperlink. You can view this is the link. So here we enter a text and then round bracket. Inside this round bracket, we will enter text which is some file text and close this bracket. Enter double quote here. Same as well, we need to enter double quote here and then enter comma here. Here just enter comma. Now enter the path where you want to save this file. Define where to save the file. Const file path is equal to, suppose you want to download this file inside this directory downloads, which is downloads. So here enter dot slash downloads and then slash enter this file name. Now this file will be downloaded inside this directory, which is downloads. Await download dot save as file path. This is for save the download file from Playwright and store to your local folder. Remove this spaces and save this file. Now we can run the test. Here enter semicolon. For running the test, click on view and then click on terminal. Enter command here npx. Let's close this one. Now save this file, and here we need to remove this double quote because this is the path dot slash downloads and then enter file name. So you need to enter exact folder name, which is downloads, and then enter file name. Now run the test, save this file again and enter command here npx playwright test and then enter this file name, which is download.spec.ts dash dash edit and enter here dash dash project Chromium. If you want to run the test on Chrome browser, so you need to enter here Chromium. Same as well, you can run the test on Firefox. Just enter here Firefox. After enter this command, click on enter and test will run. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and then click on enter and click on this link. Navigate to this URL and download file. Now you can view one file downloaded successfully inside this directory downloads, and this is the file name, and here you can view this file successfully downloaded. That's are for today's tutorial on download file in Playwright easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Playwright tutorials. See you in the next video.